Hey guys, it's me, Patrice, and so today I want to talk about grounding and the actual science, the medical information on grounding. And what grounding is either being barefoot in the grass. I think for 20 minutes they say you literally can lean on a tree, or being in water in some ways, ideally the ocean, right, as pure as possible. And obviously the sun gives some too. There actually is real research that being outside is healthy for us. Now, right now we are having more solar energy. There's a lot of storms that are coming through this weekend. We've got some power outages and stuff. We have to realize that our bodies are nervous systems. So sometimes a nervous system, just like all electricity, it's electricity that's coming in. It just needs to be grounded. So for those of you, if anyone's feeling a little off, do some grounding today. Obviously breathing really, really helps. And then just kind of give yourself some grace, because there's definitely more electricity in the air. So don't engage, and smile. Have a good day.